So hello guys, this is Uttam here, and today I am presenting my placement cell app where a company constantly needs to download their data to compile defined reports, and I need to create an interface for the employees of this company to fill the data into the database and then download it into the CSV format. So this is my folder structures here where I have the config folder, one controller folder, image folder, modules folders, report folder, routes, views, and then the index file or the main file. Let's move going to the config folder where basically I have the MongoDB connection in here, and I store the MongoDB URI in my system variable for the security reason. And this is my passport local authentication. Next, moving back to the go to the controller folder where I have basically four kinds of controller here. One is company controller, home controller, student, and user controller. Let's go to the user controller, and this is my user controller. This function is for rendering a sign up by sign in page, and this is for creating session, then the sign out here, and then the creating user, and last the downloading the report. In the student controller, I basically have the create student, then the edit student. This is my edit student function, and in the company controller I render for this, and this is my rendering company page. This function is our allocating interview, and this was scheduling interview. This for status update for user interview, and after that this is my home controller. Next, this is my image folder where basically I capture all the screenshot for my project and I upload it here. Then this is my models folder where I have basically three kinds of models here. One is user model, one is student model, and one the company model. In the user model, I basically need the user name, email, and the password, and which I made this hash for the security purpose. And this function is compare the hash password with the given password. And then the student schema, in the student schema I basically need the student name, email, college, placement, and all the details, contact number, badge, DSA, and all the scores. And then the interview with which company, date, and result. And in the company schema I basically need the company name. And then the students, in the students array I need the student ID, data, date, and results. After that, this is my report folder where the downloaded report are stored here in the CSV format. Then this is my routes folder where I have the user route, student route, index route, and the company route. This is my user route. This is my student route. All the students are routing are here. This is my company routes, and this is my main route or the index route. And this is my view folder where I have the sign up page, sign in page, then the home page, company page, allocated interview page, add new student page, and all the other headers and meta scripts are here. I use Bootstrap here, and this is my index page. I created this session here, and if you have some assets files here, then you need to specify this line here. Otherwise, you don't need to apply this file. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Index file. Let's move on to my live app. So this is my live app, and let's first try to register here. At first I will name this and then sign up, and and then yes, you can clearly see that we are successfully logged in here, and this is my list of student page. Basically I created this to list earlier, and this is my company list, all the students that are going for the interview. And let's try to create an student. And fill up all those details and then create the students. You can see that the student is created here, and I can schedule the interview for this student. For allocate the interview, select first the student name and list for the Google interview, and then the date and schedule the interview. And you can see that there is schedule the interview is here. You can directly change the state here, selected not selected, pending on hold. I selected hold and update is here, and I can download the report, and you can clearly see that this report is generated here, or all this here, home, date, hold, results, batch, all the details are stored here. And then I can sign out also this, and I can delete any of the students. Like if I want to delete this, I press delete and it will be deleted. If I want to delete this, and it will be deleted. And then they sign out. Okay, that's it pretty much for it. Thank you.